So I'm walking home.
So I know what you're thinking. I like 350Zs and BMWs. If you looked at Facebook Marketplace in the last however long you have, you'll notice that everything costs my arms and legs. So that's when I found Evan Daly's channel. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. I don't know, I've heard Daly, Dally, Dilly, some that doesn't make any sense. But here we are. 2008 4.6 liter 3-valve Mustang. Manual, 72k miles as of today. And a lot of show and a little bit less go. But first car that this channel will ever see that gets modified here, as you can already tell, non-warp front rotors. These ones are drilled and slotted with the extreme contact pads, the Z26 Warrior street pads, whatever the hell you want to call them. But yeah, I'll take you around and look at it. Me and my bro Ryan are out here. Camera bro Ryan. Sunset. This is where I usually take all my photos. She looks pretty good out here. As you can tell though, she is dirty as hell. I wanted to film it for this video and have it really nice and clean, but it's like it's so bad. Yes, a dirty car wouldn't be a dirty car without. There you go. You're missing the tip, huh? Shotgun blast. This is definitely paint because now you can look in here and you can totally tell. Different parts are better, different parts are done. They painted the wing black. I already put this deck lid on. It was not come with this. These are also coming out in another video. Then they painted the side skirts black as well. Oh no, it's a pretty okay car. Anyway, let's pop the hood. Let's look at this puppy. Although the interior, I got a cracked dash. It's the only sucky part. There's that, and then you got the billet shift knob, I believe. Ryan, can you do it? Do you think you can do it? No? The side. Holy! So one thing I cared about. Oh wait, I'm switching the mic. This is gonna be probably some POV content because I don't know, it just looks kind of bad because we don't have enough lighting. But I got Ryan here with me. Ryan, say hi.
Hi.
Hey. Oh, AC. Look at that Toto radio. I'll still put that in the description because it was $170 for that, and the fact that it also has Wi-Fi connectivity. You can change these LED lights. Also, it'll automatically connect to your phone. My phone's toast right now, so I'm using my little old iPhone 7 that's shattered. You don't need to wire in the thing for dimming. It'll do it on its own. All right, anyway, let's get on. I got that all on camera too. Holy shit, that bunny wanted death. Oh, I also forgot to mention, I don't have fender liner. I don't know how, I'm guaranteeing it has something to do with the rear respray, but there's totally no fender liner. So any kind of rocks, I get to hear them. And we almost just ran over a jackrabbit or a bunny or whatever the hell that was. That was bad. Also, we're gonna have to get out of here because I don't want to do too much fun stuff in this poor neighborhood. Probably have a little bit of fun. Also, known feature of this car, you lose your dash cover every time. If you're in Ryan's seat, this damn cowl hood is also one of the modifications. I don't know why I didn't mention it. It is obnoxious in a way. It is really annoying to see over, right? You really can't see much. Try that one again.
It's dirty here.
Oh, the car's already filthy.
Might overslide a little bit.
You are right.
I know. See what I mean?
I wasn't even trying to do it that time. Alright, let's hopefully not wreck the Mustang, but we do have to get a little bit of fun in here, you know what I'm saying?
Well, there goes my ride. Guess I'm walking home.
Shit.
Yeah.
Off our goes.
We're robbing a bank.
Yeah, we're robbing my own bank account. So, it is time. I got, how much
Hey man,
is this?
you can't swear the first like 5 minutes of YouTube.
It's finally time. I have 9 grand.
9 grand. Well, that's 85. This makes it 9.
Give me both. 9 grand. And after 9 grand, hopefully I'll have a car. Not just any car.
A car.
A car. A car. Not this ventriloquist of strut blown mass piece of tank.
Ah, you Negroes. 35. I was going 60.
How you doing? Good. I successfully picked him up.
The package was delivered.
That's on God.
Oh yeah, I mean, like seriously, they got Habusas over there.
I'm not sure how that works. Oh shit. Now it's an R1?
Oh.
Sorry, I was purging my nos.
We got our cart front with 8.
Now let's see what the car can do. Drift hat.
Y'all know about the Harbor Freight Special.
4.6, so any trucks in here, I'm gonna be like, huh? Let's look at this jank ass job of tape all over the place. What did you say about this thing, Jason?
Let's start on that.
First gear anywhere you go.
Oh no, I got a fart.
Oh my god.
I would definitely still gonna end up cheaper. Yeah, exactly. Personally, I would say go down for a couple of reasons. One, you've got a
No way.
Dude, you literally have 0 gas.
No way. Wait a minute. Well, I have an upgraded fuel pump. That's awesome.
Alright, so the fuel pump wasn't bad. Jordan just ran out of gas.
Forgot to film an outro, guys. Hope you guys like the Mustang and the content that's coming for it. Love y'all. Remember, fear nothing. Bye.